everybody here for every holiday, every birthday, every celebration. Our grandchildren, we have 2, ask all the time, can they sleep over? They just love it here. And our daughter will sometimes come and work out of here, and she just says, she sits down, she says, I just love it here. And we love the openness and the brightness of our home, indoor, outdoor.
Almost everyone who comes in, their first expression is, wow, this is beautiful. Yeah. Can I have a tour? Yeah. So we take them around the house, upstairs, downstairs, all the way through. And you know, you can tell sometimes when people are just being nice, oh, isn't that nice, or that's lovely, whatever. And then you can tell also when people, there's a little bit more passion and in what they say. You know, it's like, ooh, this is quite beautiful, you know, and people just walking by the house, complimenting the house.
And wanting to see it.
Yeah, and even people that we don't know say, hey, can I take a tour? We wanted an open living space, but also one that offered some room distinctiveness. So not so open that it all felt completely like one living area, but open enough that if you were entertaining, you would have an easy connectivity with people in every room. We wanted something that was more aligned with growing a little bit older. And so we have some features in this home that I think are going to allow for us, knock on wood, to age in place. We were introduced to TK through our builder, Mike Miller, and they were awesome. And they really walked us through at a high level, kind of our general thinking around what we wanted. And what was nice about that process is, you know, we're not design people, we're not builders. They knew exactly what to ask us and to guide us through the process. And through that, we were able to continue to kind of refine our vision, if you will, and get closer and closer to what we really wanted. We had a general idea, but they helped make that thinking a little bit more sophisticated. Oftentimes it was comparative, so they would say this or that, you know, or something else. And that was really helpful to us.
I would also like to say that Todd was kind enough to take us through his house, which was very helpful when he was just sort of explaining the island and how that would work with distance to our appliances.
It was helpful to see that because it put it into reality, if you will. You could see something concrete rather than just, you know, plans on a page. And I know that we would both agree that that was a very positive part of this entire process. If you look around at many of the high-end homes in Southeast Michigan, you're going to find that TK has a part in the design and the architecture of those homes. There's a reason. They're pros, they're experienced, they're knowledgeable, they're very creative, they know how to engage with their customers, present options. They make the process quite enjoyable. What I really loved is that they have the TK timeline and they tell you exactly what's going to happen and when, and they hit it. There's a culture of execution over there that's impressive. That was absolutely a highlight of this entire process. This house, you know, in virtually every way, if not absolutely every way, you know, really met our vision.